Alright, I don't think anyone's here right now, but hello if you actually do happen to be here. Got some rain going on, clearly. I heard some thunder as well. I know we're supposed to get some severe thunderstorms today. Probably not going to do a thunderstorm video. I actually already made one a few days ago that I didn't edit yet. Hi, SDP. Slow dancing in the dark, yeah. Yeah, so I'm not going to do a thunderstorm video because I already made one a few days ago. I got to edit it. Yeah, it literally has not rained all day. Only now it started, I guess, as the premiere was going. I thought I heard some thunder as the premiere was going, but I thought I could have been wrong. Oh. It's like dark over there, but you can't really tell, but it's brighter over there. I'm gonna go back inside. Only rains at night. Actually, I don't even think it's rained at night, like at all here, basically. I mean, lately at least. It's only really rained during the day, so opposite there. I'm just back inside because I didn't even know it was raining because I got this stuff on the window, so I can't really tell unless I obviously look behind it. Blue wanted me to do a post-premiere stream, but then he doesn't come, of course. And then he doesn't... Well, he didn't stay for most of the premiere either. It's always like that. The 5 o'clock premieres, I usually don't get that great of an attendance. Get the AC running as well. I don't even know why. It's like probably 60-something outside. It got pretty cooler after the rain. Or when the rain started. It was actually pretty freaking hot when I got out of school. And I just randomly got like really tired. So I was like fine for most of like the premiere, but then I just started like now I feel like I want to fall asleep. I'll keep going with this post-premiere stream. Also, this is the thumbnail right here. Vloggers. Yeah, putting my camera like that doesn't really work well lately. I don't know why. Guess that's fine. Anyway, I'm probably gonna do a actual stream tonight. Gonna do some Bloxburg on that because Blue requested that. Blue's not here right now, obviously, and I'm not gonna play Bloxburg on the post-premiere stream. I want to take a nap. I feel like there's gonna be like a thunderstorm. No, I'm not gonna do a thunderstorm video. I just freaking did one. I gotta upload it. Well, I gotta edit it first and upload it. And I said before, I want to like take a nap now. So after the stream, I'm probably gonna take a nap for like 15 minutes. Then maybe I'll have time to edit. I don't know. It says we have 2 people now. Now I'm gonna jinx that. One person's gonna leave. Always happens. That's a rule. Hi, Ryan. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Great. One person watching. Obviously. Jesus. Hi, Ryan. You want to go back on the call? I can switch over to the computer for this if you want as well. I'm just doing it on the phone now. I wanted to go outside, but it's freaking raining. I didn't even notice that. Because I have the AC on, I can't hear outside, and I got covers on my window. Hey, we can go on a call if you want. It's up to you. I think it would be fun. Let me actually just see out here. Did it stop raining? I can't tell. I don't know. Back to 2 people. I'm literally gonna fall asleep. Sorry, I took a 40-minute nap after I... Oh, okay. I want to take a nap right now. Making a sandwich. Also, same thing, Blue literally fell asleep as well. Everyone's falling asleep, literally. I want to fall asleep, too. I guess it's just that type of day. I mean, a bunch of people sleeping. I want to, too. The premiere was pretty inactive. If you look back on the replay, I got bored and then I brought in Tobu Alastair Garming and YCT Railfan and I made them have like a little conversation. Just why not? Nothing was going on. I was talking to Blue about like Bloxburg and stuff for a little while, and then the weather. Yeah, I think I heard some thunder too, and it's like, yeah, weather's not that great. It was super freaking difficult for me to wake up this morning. I don't know why. It was foggy. It wasn't even rainy this morning. But yeah, something with the weather today and wanting to sleep. I was totally energized. Cloudy weather too. I didn't even know. I thought it was just rainy weather. Because yeah, it was super cloudy and dense. Like, pretty dense fog, so that actually makes sense. Like, I'm still drinking coffee, but, like, I'm still, like, sleepy. I mean, it's better. Probably do want to take a nap after this, but... Oh my god. Echo, read my notifications. Rainy, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but even in the morning, it wasn't rainy, but it was difficult for me to wake up in the morning, even though it wasn't rainy. It was just cloudy. It was just foggy. It was still difficult for me to get up. So I don't know if that was weather related or why it was that difficult to wake up. But I don't know. Maybe it's just Friday and just generally having a lack of energy on Friday. I don't know. Yeah, math problem. Sure. Oh, by the way, you still have my pencil as well. That I gave you in health. I gotta get a new pencil. Well, I have some right down here. There you go. New pencil. I got a whole bunch down here in this drawer. But the weird thing is, for some reason, I don't carry pencils. Like, I carry, like, one pencil with me in my bag. One mechanical pencil. Yeah, 3-day weekend. Oh, fun, yeah. I carry one mechanical pencil in my bag. Two number 2 pencils, which are never sharpened, so didn't really use pencil. Oh yeah, I realized that after the class. Yeah, and I realized that as well. But I just like used a pen. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, you can keep it. I have a bunch. I mean, it's not like you can give it back to me like right now. I just took this new one right here anyway too if I need a pencil. And then in class instead, I just used a pen as well. Oh, and we finished the pre-calc final. Okay. The pre-calc final was hybrid on paper, on computer. The way it worked, it was literally just a regular. I decided to use it in your honor. Oh, okay. You're going to use it in my honor. All right. But it was half on the computer, half on paper. The main test, I mean, basically it was just like a regular, like, on-paper test. But we had to input our answers into Delta Math as well. But she's grading it based off of the paper. But we also had to put our answers on Delta Math. I have no idea why or what's the logic behind that. I mean, we got 2 tries on Delta Math. I guess that's why. So I guess that kind of helps us. I didn't really use the second try for any of them. I got most of them on the first one. And, of course, the final was probably a lot easier than yours as well. I did well on it. Hi, Blue. Yeah, we're having a bit of a slow... You joined a bit late? That's no problem, Blue. We're having a bit of a slow... I asked Mr. Biondo that one physics question on the Regents we couldn't figure out on Wednesday night. Oh, what did he say about it? You can pull it up. Which one was that? I don't remember. It was 2019 Regents. What number, though? I forgot. Oh, you want to... Okay. Yeah. But yeah, Blue, as I was saying before, yeah, it's a little A little slow today. A bunch of people are, falling asleep, like taking naps and stuff like that. Me too. I want to. So probably after the stream, I probably will take a little bit of a nap. 2019 question 10. Okay. Put my new pencil up there. New York State Physics Regents 2019. June 2019, number 10. When 150 joules... Oh. Did we figure this one out? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. When 150 joules of work is done on a system by an external force, 15 newtons in 20 seconds. The total energy of that system increases. Wait a minute. Isn't that just asking for... Hold on. 150 joules of work is done on a system by an external force, 15 newtons. Total energy of that system... Oh, yeah, right. So what did he say? Because there are a bunch of ways... The wording is really dumb on this question. It's like... Because I'm saying, like, what? 15 newtons in 20 seconds. So that's force... That's a force and a time. We can find a displacement based on that. Usually not like this, usually. You're not happy, Blue? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that if you're not happy. I thought you were just tired. It's probably the weather. That's what Ryan says. I agree. Probably is the weather. I was going to say here, like, okay, for this question, you can probably find the displacement because you have, like, work. Oh, because I was trying to say, if we find the displacement here, because we can set 150 equals to 15 times displacement over 20. That's what I was thinking. But... Total energy, though. It's stupidly worded. Am I on the right track here, or did I go off again? Want to fight? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm wrong. You can find displacement, by the way. Like, you can. That's not what this is asking, but you can. But also... Change in kinetic energy is equal to work. Wait a minute. Is the answer just 1? 150 joules of... Is it that simple of a problem? It can't be. There's no freaking way. 100... Because work is also equal to change in kinetic energy. So 150 joules of work. So is the 15 and 20 just irrelevant? Because that's the same thing. Because energy, change in kinetic energy and work is the same thing. Oh my god. Ooh, I would have gotten that wrong on the Regents. Oh my god. I would have gotten that so wrong. There's no way. Oh my god. I would have never thought a Regents would ask anything that simple. Oh my god. The 50 newtons in 20 seconds is just totally irrelevant. Oh my. That's not the problem. Not a problem, but the thing with AP. AP teaches you to overthink questions because you basically have to get them right. Yet the Regents does crap like this. Yeah, like... mm-hmm. And then here I am overthinking, like, oh yeah, you should calculate displacement. And first, like, you remember last night I was setting force times displacement over time equal to force times average velocity. You remember because that's what AP wants you to do. AP wants you to overthink like that. My god. Well, I'm glad I figured it out, but jeez. I think I told you today in your health class a little bit that we started with, the modern physics stuff like quarks and all that stuff. I know ups and downs make up protons and neutrons, and they're leptons and mesons, but mesons can either emit 3 quarks Well, I was overcomplicating it as well, and I'm not an AP. Yeah, no, anyone, even Regents, like, of course, you can overcomplicate it in Regents, too. Like, even for Regents, this is super easy of a question. Of course you can overcomplicate it for Regents, too, yeah. But mesons can either be 3 quarks, or a quark and an anti-quark, or multiple, just combination of those? I don't know. I think it's just a question that's designed to trick you and make you overthink. Yeah, probably. That actually makes sense, yeah. And of course, the answer is in scientific notation. Literally no need for it to be in scientific notation. That's true. If it was 150 is the answer, I would have seen 150 because I didn't think. I was just like, 150 is not even there. I didn't even notice. Still, the answer is like 1.5 to the 10th of the 2. And I'm like, well, it's the same answer. I don't even know how I realized because I saw 150 joules of work and then I saw energy increases by. And I was just like, well, that's the same thing. Because what I was thinking here is that, like, maybe 150 joules is, like, the initial energy, and then, like, after there's 150 joules, like, if there's 50 newtons over 20 seconds or something like that, but if they also gave a displacement, then you can calculate power based on that, or just the force times the displacement. You don't even need the power. You don't even need the 20 seconds. So if they give you a force and a displacement, that can be, like, a new energy, and then you subtract. Like, that's what I was trying to think. I think Mr. Biondo literally said that many of the questions on the Regents have variables that literally aren't even needed. Yeah, no, even the AP does that sometimes, usually not that often, but yeah, random stuff to stumble you, I know. So kids freak out, I know. Yeah, you just gotta kind of analyze the situation, really. You just gotta figure out, like, generally what equation to use, what relates, different variables, things like that. I don't think you should really freak out over it if you don't know which ones to use. Well, that was great. Number 10 was very great. Number 19 I still don't understand because I don't understand why two magnets with opposite poles going this way would cause this object to go down. I don't know. I don't get the logic of 19. Some kids freak out. Mm-hmm. All right, STP. Yeah. People in my class never like freak out. They're always like, when they don't know something, they're just like, yeah, whatever. They just hope not to get called on, and if they do get called on, they're just like, yeah, I don't know. They're like, that's it. Number 24, I stupidly got wrong initially. Number 24 is very easily 70. Yeah, we didn't even really do magnetic fields, or even if we did, we spent like a day on it. I don't remember doing magnetic fields. Wait, which question on the AP did you say you were completely... Oh, a bunch. A bunch. Oh, when I was playing Advait. Not sure which one I talked about, but let me show you one. Let me show you one. The first question on the free response, literally. No, not the first one. It was the second one. First one, too. There were a bunch, all right? Yeah, probably this one. This is with variables, in that moment. So, gravitation, I suck at, right? And this is question 2 on the AP. This is stuff with gravitation, right? So, one, I think, some asked for equations. I wrote down the most random equation I could. I didn't even think. And then there's that. But then there's also this question. This is number 1. Springs and gravitation, my 2 worst topics in physics, showed up the most on the AP. If I had the same free response questions as 2021, I think I would have done significantly better because I actually understood most of those questions. But yeah, this is not the number 2 that I didn't understand. 2 identical moons. See, like, these are all variables, like, not even a single number on this, literally. Not a single number. M naught on each moon is significant, but less than mass of the planet. You got Monet, free body diagrams. I don't even know if I got these free body diagrams right, literally. Justify why the magnitude could be larger. Like, I don't know why. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me. Like, why? I literally just wrote, like, a complete half-ass response for this, honestly. Ryan Agnew. There was this. What else? This was the lab question, and it was surprisingly easy. It was too easy. I feel like I probably didn't... I feel like I might have missed something with this. Like, honestly, this was too easy of a question. Because there's no torque or rotation here at all. It's literally just, like, kinetic energy and potential energy of the block. Like, it has nothing to do with the axle and, like, the moment of inertia of the... Like you would think, because that's why I was thinking, like, oh, this has to be something here. But no, it has nothing to do with it. So I was like, nah. Hope I didn't underthink it. Probably something to do with the weight and distance. Yeah, I know. And I had the equation as well. Like, I'm just bad with gravitation, like, honestly. This one was relatively fine. This is probably the easiest freaking question. You just have to draw a line with a ruler, the best fit line that goes through all these points. Probably, like, the easiest freaking question. And then calculate an experimental value. I think this one I got. Like, because this is the lab. The lab question I think I got right. This one, of course, my conceptual knowledge of momentum completely lost in that moment. And I think I said the rubber sphere will make the ball go, make the block go farther. But I could be completely wrong because I literally just forgot. I think I justified this, and I had to literally write a paragraph justifying this on the page. No calculations or anything. But yeah, I think the rubber sphere, because I used impulse. I was thinking, like, because now the rubber sphere is going in the opposite direction, so now it had to have transfer like more momentum. So I wrote something like that on this page. This is another spring thing, of course, right? This one I barely even remember this question. Oh, this is question 5, right? Yeah, I totally half-assed this one. I didn't even know what to do. I was just like, it was the end of the exam. I was just like, yeah, frick it. What is 1 degree, 89 degree? A lot of the AP is literally, like, actually, a bunch of the AP stuff is conceptual. So there is a lot of justify. There's a lot of conceptuals and justify in the AP curriculum. Not in the curriculum, on the exam. We hardly did any justify questions in class as practice. But this one I totally half-assed, like the graph and this, because it's the end of the exam. Like, literally, like, I didn't care. I was just like, yeah, frick it, it's at the end of the exam. I don't care. And I just, like, half-assed this question. And where does it say that 1 degree, 98 degree? What question was that? Yeah, for most of the free response, yes. The multiple choice wasn't that great either, so... Let me actually go on a score calculator. I'll see how well, like, I think I did. Oh, AP Physics 1 is the first one. Let's just say I got half right on the multiple choice. Okay, so if I got literally half right on everything, I would get a 3. How many points can I lose while still maintaining a 3? Oh, okay. I feel pretty confident in my grade then. All right. I can do completely awful on the, here. This still counts as a 3. Like, these are all the, section 2, like, all this, these are the questions. 0.5 out of 5. Yep, definitely. I can get 2 out of 12, and the lab question I'm pretty freaking sure I got right. So let's say let's say I got a 12 on this, or see, that's a 3, which means that this can be even lower. Let's say if I got a 12 out of 12 on the lab question, or maybe a little lower, like, let's say 10 out of 12, I'm gonna be nice. And then this one was the momentum one. If I got this one right as well, I can totally, like, just half-ass, like, all of these and get all this wrong, but then if I get points over here, What if you got everything right, but you didn't realize that? I would be ecstatic if that was the case. But you see, multiple choice, I can literally get a 25% on the multiple choice. Even lower, probably. Not really lower, but like, eh. I could get a 25 on the multiple choice. I think I got a 25. On the practice multiple choices, like AP, like recent, I got 23s. So, 25 is fine. I could have gotten 0 points on all these, literally, but still, the likelihood of getting 0 points is really rare. Like, at least I would get partial credit, like 3 points, like that. Like, let's say that. Like, that's a 3. Like, I could have gotten a 3. 4 is probably a stretch, because the exam was friggin' difficult. If I got everything wrong, I would be pissed, but I don't need to show the AP exam grade to colleges, which is the good thing. Zeros for everything. Let's see. Would that even get me a 1? I'm kind of curious if I got a 0 on everything. Oh. Yeah, okay, sure, you can. No, it's a 1. I don't even think you can get a 0 on the AP. That is a 1 if I get everything wrong. What if I get 100 on the multiple? That's a 3. Oh my god. If I get a 100 on the multiple choice, what if I get full credit on one of the answers? Still a 1. Still a 1. Still a 1? Oh, 2. That's a 3. Okay. Yes, I'd be very disappointed in myself. Because I've literally never gotten below... I've never gotten below a 70 on any of the AP tests in, like, the actual physics AP tests. I've never gotten anything below a 70. So I'd be pissed, yeah. Also, I'm pretty sure, like, let me see. AP Physics 1 exam passing rate. 51.6%. AP Physics 1. 51.6% passing rate. Oh my god. AP Physics 1 is the lowest passed exam. Oh my god. The lowest. Great. Great, honestly. Hardest AP classes and tests. Lang has probably a pretty high pass rate, I would say. AP Physics 1 is literally the hardest AP by pass rate. So, if I got a 3, that's a pass. That's great. That's pretty much barely, but not barely. APs are graded weirdly. Environmental science, chemistry. Is Lang on here? See, Lang's not even on here. So Lang has a... Yeah, I think I still would, because I enrolled in 2, and at least, like, I learned from 1. Like, I know what to expect from 2, because 2, it's not harder than 1. It's basically just a continuation of 1. So, I think I would still take 2 at that point. Even if I dropped 1, if I had to drop, like, what class would I even take? I mean, like, pretty much my only options would be, like, AP classes, and I already did AP 1, so I don't know why I would take Regent. Oh, BC? Let's see BC's pass rate. Oh. I heard that the AB exam was super difficult this year. So I have no idea about the BC. Oh, okay. Oh, 38% of people get a 5 on the BC exam. Bruh. I don't understand. AB, like, literally, AB 5 is 17.6%. In AB, get 5s. But then in BC, 38.3. Is that just because smarter kids take BC? Or is that just because... Oh my god. I don't even know. I don't know if it's because smarter kids take BC or BC could literally be easier. The exam is easier. Because I hear so much about the AB exam sucking so much. Maybe the BC exam actually is easier, or there's a more hefty curve to it. Oh, they have everything here. Okay. English, let's see. Lang. 9.1 get a 5. 22 get a 4. Okay. Lang has a pretty nice distribution. What what is this? History and science. What's macro? 18%, 19% 4, 13%. But 32% get a 1 in macro? Oh my god. I thought macro had a relatively easy exam. At least in Lang, it's the least is basically, well, least is 5, but okay. Let's see the calculus. AB, yeah, 5%. But BC though, 38%. Like, only 6.6 get a 1. So yeah, people generally do pretty freaking good on the BC exam. The highest percentage get a 5. Computer science principles, 3 is a 32%. Yeah, I don't know. Not if it's virtual and you have a bad teacher. AP Stat, 16%. Oh my god, of course the highest is a 1. Chem, okay, physics. AP Physics 1. Yeah, not surprising that it has the highest percentages of 1s. I'm not surprised. And it has the lowest percentages of 5s. But C has 32. Again, okay. I think with C, it's just because a lot of smart kids take it. But more people do better on the magnetism than on the mechanics. It's kind of weird. Let's see what Italian is. AP Italian. 20%. Okay. Scores are pretty good usually. Alright. Well, they're AP pass rates. So yeah, I think that the literal hardest AP exam is physics. Oh, AP Human Geography. Yeah, because I think that's a class for freshmen. So, like, if you never take an AP exam, I mean 32%. AP Macro is a 32.9. But physics has, what, 31.4. So, yeah, by pass rate. A bunch of 2s as well. 26% 2s. The other ones only have, like, 18%. So we got a lot of 2s, and 2s also failing, obviously. If you got a 1 on the physics exam, would your teacher come to your house and smack your ass? I don't think he really would care. I mean, he says that, I don't know. He has faith in all of us that we did well on the exam, but literally everybody that I talk to or hear talking about the AP1 exam says that they think they did horribly on it. So, I don't know. And then I saw him in the hallway once. He asked a random student, like, how well they think they did on the AP exam, and then they were like, like that. So, no one thinks they did well, but my teacher actually has hope that people did do well. So maybe people actually did do better than they think. I don't know. What's the camera doing? Is it being weird? I don't know. For me, it looks fine, but I don't know. I don't know what it's doing for you. Yeah, I think we basically went through all the APs. What the hell's AP Comparative Government and Politics? Never heard of it. It's a black screen? Oh. Is it still a black screen? It's back? Or it's still black? Oh, it's still black. I don't know how to fix that. I think I'm about to end this anyway. Alright, hi Blue. The screen is black, apparently. Yeah, I'm looking at it on my computer now. It is black, yeah. It's not even, the weird thing is, it's like, it's not even fully, like, black. It's like, it's almost like a gray. It's like a lighter black, sorta. Not gray. Blue, I'm gonna be doing a stream today at 9 o'clock anyway. We can play Bloxburg then too. I'm eating a wafer right now, so I know you can't see me. I can see myself. So you think there's a higher chance that you got a 5? I don't know. Like, I would say, like, don't fall asleep during the streaming time. I'm gonna end because, like, well, the screen is black. I don't know how to fix it, and I gotta go soon. Honestly, I think I would be closer to a 3, literally. But I don't know, like, if there's a higher chance of a 1 or a 5. I would say higher chance of a 5 because I don't think I would frick up that much to get a 1. Like, there's no way I could frick up that much. So 5. Higher chance I got a 5. I mean, if I got a 3, then yeah, at least I'm with the 50% of people who took it and passed the exam. I said in the short, like, after I did the exam, I made a short. I said, like, hey, hopefully I got a 3 or a 4. Like, a 4 would be a freaking miracle. But that would be great if I got a 4. I mean, you don't really know with APs. What if I got a 6? Well, I would be the first person ever to get a 6 on an AP exam. I probably would have to have some type of award or something to be the first person to get a 6 on an AP. Yeah, oh yeah, they had to invent a new score just for me. You mean like if I get literally 100%, like totally flawless? Like, yeah, that would be great. I would probably get into literally any university I wanted to, literally. Rain off and on. And I know you can't see me, you're still seeing a black screen, but let's check out the window and I don't see any rain. Great. Still can't see me, I guess? Higher than 100%. I don't think anyone is literally in the history of any AP exam ever has actually gotten a full 100 ever, like just a 100. So a 110, yeah, sure, a 110. If I got a 110, then yeah, they would definitely invent a new score for me. But how would I even manage the 110? Like, what extra would I do to get the extra 10%? Of course I'd be happy. Be the first person to get a 6 on an AP exam. Here, what if I... Oh, I think we're back. Yay. Back on the camera now. I don't know what the heck that was. I like pulled the menu down on my phone and then that somehow just managed to work. The stream is inverted on here, but I'm seeing it on my computer as well. It's not inverted on the computer. Well, I am gonna end anyway, but end soon anyway. I'd also probably go on the news or something. Yeah, I would be successful. I'd be very successful after that. Oh, come on. I'm trying to readjust this. Sure, I guess that works. That's a good view, right? I mean, it's a little better than a black screen, I guess. Yes, because I would be the first person in history to get a 6 on an AP exam, a score that previously wasn't possible. I'd get into every university because I would be literally an overachiever. Like, I'm more than ready to get credit for the course. Yeah, sure, this angle works. Just makes me look fat. Let's just stay away from... Oh my god. Sure, this angle works. This is a great angle. Basically how everyone sets their camera up on Zoom meetings. Actually, nah, more like this. Yeah, more like that. Your teacher would just quit and let you teach the class. Yeah, well, we get our scores in July, so my teachers wouldn't know. I mean, to be fair, if I get a 6 on the physics exam, I'm pretty sure, I'm like 90% sure I'm going to get the same teacher I have this year for AP2. So if I get a 6 on the exam, yeah, next year class, yeah, sure, you might as well quit and let me teach if I really know what I'm doing. Well, I mean, I would know what I'm doing with AP1 if I get a 6, but AP2, I don't know. What if I got a 6 on an AP but 0 on the regions? Oh, yeah, that makes perfect sense. I mean, the 0 is going to be seen on my transcript. So no, no, that would actually probably just not even neutralize it, but do more damage. Because what's going to jump out to colleges mostly is the regions, because they're going to see the transcript. So immediately they're going to see the region score. They might not even see the AP score, like, because you can just choose to not send colleges your AP score, but you got to send them your region scores. You don't even have to send them; they just see it. So, yeah, if I got a 0 on the regions, like, yeah, that wouldn't look good. Like, I probably would not get accepted into any college. Maybe like Iona or something like that, or like one of the the easier colleges to get into that generally accept more people. No, honestly, Iona probably wouldn't even take a 0 on the regions. Like, they probably still deny that. Like, a 0 on the regions is literally, like, not even college material at all. Not even Iona. Or anything, really. Just those, like, colleges that have, like, a 60% accept rate-ish. Probably still would not accept me. I mean, maybe if they did, because if they see a 0 on the regions, they're probably calling it. They're like, yep, no, we're not even going to further keep looking into this kid. So they're not even going to bother checking if I got a 6 on the AP. Mario Kart, yeah. But that would be weird anyway, because why would be smart enlightened to score a 6, yet only score a 0? Right, exactly. That is weird. Of course it's weird. Oh, because why would you be smart enough to score a 6 but only score a 0? Right, exactly. It makes no sense. You should do better on the regions than on the APs in general, too. True, College Board could think I cheated, yeah. And then at the beginning of the AP exams, the proctor reads instructions. They're always like, if you see someone cheating or suspect someone is cheating, or we suspect you're cheating, we have to contact you with the Office of Integrity or whatever. They give that disclaimer before every exam. At least in-person exam. I don't know if you got any disclaimers or anything. I don't know how the virtual exam even worked. But yeah, if they think I cheated, yeah, they're very serious about stuff like that. But to be fair, the Regents is really hard to completely fail, so it's actually kind of impressive. Exactly. Exactly. You're probably going to get like a 50% anyway if you just guess on every multiple choice and just don't even try with the free response. You're probably at least going to get 50. And a 50, I think recently they said that a 50 is still considered passing. So 50% can give you full Regents credit for the course. It honestly shows that you know what the right answers are, so you knew not to pick those, right? If you literally get a 0, yeah, you have to know the correct answers and just not pick them. And then even for the free response, I mean, the free response you can just like not answer, or even if you do, you can just purposely like get stuff wrong. But the thing is, not getting partial credit on anything is kind of difficult. Like I mean, not really. You can literally just do something totally different. Like if it's asking you for like conservation of momentum or something like that, you just give them I don't know, like Euler's method. Sure, that's definitely not gonna get you any partial credit. So just do stuff like that. Pink guy cooks ramen and wraps. Great. I don't know why that was held for review. Alright, it's 6:30, so I'm gonna end the stream here. There will be a stream on my channel at 9 o'clock tonight. If I take a nap, I'll be sure to take a nap around now, so I don't need to take a nap during the stream and miss it. Do you believe that there are actually people in my class that get zeros because they know the answer? They have to be doing that for trolling. There's no way. You have to know the answer to get a 0. Yeah, I always set time. Well, not always, but usually I do during the weekdays when I gotta get my homework done. I usually set a timer 15 minutes when I take a nap. So yeah, if I take a nap, I will set a timer. Alright, anyway, so that's going to be the end of this stream. I will see you guys, if you want to come, obviously, at 9 o'clock tonight on my channel.